Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is cool here where I live in Georgia. I am getting ready to run a couple of errands today. I'm going to take you on a journey with me today to kind of show you guys what I do throughout my day while I run and get, different little items that I need, couponing stuff or, what have you. I got a couple of little bundles I want to do for some kids that are going to school this summer for college, and they've hit me up. I got a $100 laundry bundle I got to put together and another $40 bundle with just an array of things that need to be put together. So, yeah, let's get ready. All right, we're back. So, I'm going to talk to you guys through there. I'm going to talk to you through here. I'm going to talk to you through here. Just never know. So, first things first. Charcoal, organic. Okay, everyone, my hair really doesn't take long. I just wear it curled until I get tired of it hanging down. And then I just throw it up in a ponytail. That's simple. All right, so today it is cold here in Georgia. Don't ask me why. It's hot in Miami. That's where I'm from. And I just wish Georgia weather would be the same sometimes. Anyway, I digress. Hey family, we're doing an unboxing today of a perfume that I have received in the mail. And I want to say that I got it about a week or two ago. I'm not a perfume person. I'm more like a body mist, body spray. But we're going to give this a try. We're going to see how it smells, how it goes. This is what we will call, I don't like the word knockoff, because sometimes that knockoff smells way better than the original. So this scent is called Oriental Sage. It's by a company called Dossier. Now, they have iconic scents, designer quality, and they said there are no markups. So in the box, you got here. You got this little sample. And I'm gonna tell you about this sample in a second. You get a nice, how much is this? 1.7 ounce bottle. Look at that bottle. You see that? Let's pull off the top here. Already smelling good. So this is Oriental Sage. Like I said before, the top notes is bitter almond, sage, and lavender. Middle are leathery notes, orris, and vanilla. They also have amber, blonde woods, and tonka bean in here. Now, the thing about this parfum is that it's supposed to smell like Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous. We're not gonna say that on this channel. It's an 18% concentration. And what they ask of you to do is try the sample, not the actual bottle. And if you like the sample, then you go ahead and keep it. Then you have a bigger bottle of it. But until then, we don't try the big bottle, because if we don't like it, we can send it back. All you have to do, spray it on you. Oh yeah, that's bomb. I like that. That is real good. So how it works is they send you any scent that you order. A sample comes with it. And before opening the, the 50 ml bottle, they want you to try the sample. And if you don't like the sample, just return the package back. No return fees, no questions asked. You get a full refund. They're not gonna question you about anything. They're not, there's no why you didn't like it or why you want to return it. No type of thing like that. I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't wear perfume, like I said, but this stuff here, you gotta try it. Like, I just smell all over the place. Wait till my husband smell it. He gonna ask me what I'm doing. What I'm doing as far as wearing makeup and perfumes, because I don't do this stuff. But I guess I will be now. Anyways, you can order it from them. I'll link the website below, and let me know what you think of it. If there's another scent that you tried once you order and you like it, let me know that also, and we'll discuss that. Maybe I'll try your scent and you can try mine. Anyway, on to the rest of our day. I'll see you in a little bit. All right, everyone. So I am at my first stop. And for those of you all that don't know, when I'm not couponing, I am Instacarting or DoorDashing. So this morning I am doing 2 DoorDash catering orders. Well, actually 1 this morning and 1 this afternoon. So I'm at my first stop. In between the 2 stops is where I will go to pick up my CVS and Walgreens sales papers for the week. And then I'll get back with you guys a little bit later. Hey everybody, I am here at CVS. I am going to try to catch this clearance deal and see if they have any. Here we go. All right, everybody, store 1 was a bust. I gotta go check a different one. I'll let you know. I'll let you know when I find it. All right, family. So like I said, store number 1 was a bust. They did not have the Total Home paper towels that I'm looking for in the 2-pack or the 4-pack. They don't have any of the Charmin, and the Scott Comfort Plus, that's $1.17, they're also out of. So we got to go check another store. Check back with you in a minute. All right, everyone. So I've been to like 3 or 4 stores, and I cannot find any of the paper towels or the toilet paper that I'm looking for. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go on their website, and I'm gonna see exactly which store says they do have it, and then I'm gonna go on a hunt that way. We're gonna go on the hunt for 57-cent paper towels, 74 or 79-cent paper towels. We're looking for $1.17 Scott Comfort Plus, and we're looking for some Charmin toilet paper that's also on clearance. And the hefty 80-count tie bags are on clearance, supposedly for $2.50, but I went somewhere and I found the white box and it was $4.99. Not a clearance price for me. Don't think I'm gonna get it yet. If I have a coupon, I may pair it with it. If I have like a something off of something, then I can put it with that deal and it may work. So, ooh, look at my hair. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try that, and I will get back with you guys later. Hey fam, trying to find the paper towels and the toilet paper was a bust, so I'm not gonna continue to look for it. If I find some other clearance items, I'll let you know throughout the week. I am getting ready to do a Dollar General video. I normally don't do Dollar General, but I'm gonna give it a try. I used to back in Miami, but since I moved to Georgia, things seem to have gotten a little bit harder, but we'll give it a shot and I'll let you know what I got. Bye. All right, everyone, good morning, good afternoon, 10:38, good morning. I am now walking into CVS and I am doing the all and the snuggle deal. I should come out paying 35 cents if all goes well. I'll let you all know. All right, everybody, I'm going over here to do the all and the snuggle deal. Let's see what they have. Excuse the music. All right, so we have $2.99, 80 count, and they're $2.99. And when you spend $20, you get back 5 ECBs. So I've already done the deal once. I'm going to do it again. And this time, I should get the 5 ECBs back. And the good thing about CVS is that it tracks your purchases. So you will be able to see on the bottom of your receipts what you have already purchased and what it's keeping up with. Next, I'm also going to pick up some of the Snuggle fabric softener. It's also $2.99, 40 ounces. Two fabric softeners, 2 dryer sheets. They don't have another one of the $2.99 snuggle, so now we will get detergent. It's in the same deal, $2.99, spend 20, get 5. So this purchase here, I should end up paying about 35 cents out of pocket, and it should be about $10 before. Once I pay with a gift card that I have, I think that's when it'll bring it down. Let's see what happens. Okay. That's my total. All right, everybody. So, second one was a success. We were able to get all of our other products that we needed, and my total was $1. So, yep, successful purchase. I will show you guys the breakdown, and also, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I got the reward, and I got some other good stuff on here. Anyway, let me get out this stuff. All right, so out the store, heading to my car now. Sorry about the shakiness of the phone. I got fabric softener, dryer sheets, beads, and I was able to get 1 bottle of all detergent. simply because they didn't have any more Snuggle in order for me to put with the rest of the items that I needed. So now I am off to do my job, and then in between there, we'll see what happens. Get some more stuff done. Bye. All right, everybody. I ran into Kroger real quick so I can get my freebies out of here. Yes, I'm always couponing on the go. So I will come back with a little clip in a little while and let you see exactly what it is that I've got. Hey guys, as you guys can see, I'm over here at Kroger. Yes, the one and only Kroger. A lot of people wish they had Kroger, but they got Publix or Winn-Dixie. I fortunately have Publix and I have Kroger. So I went in and I got free yogurt. I got free Mountain Dew. I got a 92-ounce Tide for $7 and change with the $4 off coupon. And I got a Game fabric softener for $2.99. At the end of the day, you guys will get to see what it is exactly that I got and all the receipts with the prices.
Your total is $11.68.